Madzivanyika, MP for Mbizo constituency, has condemned President Emerson Mnangagwa's State of Nation address SONA, delivered on Tuesday, 25 October 2025, describing it as hollow, lifeless, and disconnected from the country's realities. Sabina mashoko buda panko ino chunkon's opposite MPs, lebo Mnangagwa's SONA empty talk show. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Mzipaya Udanyura Chiti, speaking on the address, Madzivanyika said, the State of the Nation address is highlighted by President Emerson Mnangagwa today, to me, is the same old rhetoric. It was hollow and lifeless, to say the very least. He criticized the president's focus on sanctions, saying it is common knowledge that all EU sanctions were removed. The only sanctions are on Mnangagwa himself due to corruption. Mnangagwa is on sanctions. Mnangagwa is not Zimbabwe, and Zimbabwe is not Mnangagwa. The sanctions propaganda is now tired. On social welfare programs, the MP noted he spoke of social safety nets. He talked about Pfumvudza and BIM, saying we are doing well. It is common knowledge that the bulk of Pfumvudza is being stolen by the ZANU-PF. The supposed beneficiaries are getting only a cap. BIM government owes 92 billion to BIM. There is nothing on the ground. Madzivanyika also questioned infrastructure projects, construction of silos across the country. How much do these silos cost? The same silos with the same structure were constructed in Zambia and Mozambique. We can't say we are doing well while stealing from the same countries. They highlighted the ongoing electricity challenges, saying, we spend the bulk of our time in darkness. He talked about independent power producers. They need assurance from government. They need assurance. So we can't expect improvement in the country. Solar accessories are still liable to duty. Make sure solar accessories are duty-free. The MP also raised concerns over mining and land degradation. He appeared concerned on paper, saying some miners are degrading our land. It is the president himself and ZIDA that allowed mining on our sacred land. They gave the miners authority to mine on sacred land. Mnangagwa is shedding tears on the issue. Thomas Kwaruda Pangwa ino chinokons aiwa aba MP voya pangwa ino vachitaka mtukamiri wenyika zviri direct pamusoro pehizi SONA address vachiti aiwa pangwa ino the SONA address, it was just an empty talk show. Muna section medu za funguro aim to leave pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.